are two ways to create a regular expression in JavaScript. It can either be created by using the constructor syntax or by using the literal syntax. To define a regular expression in JavaScript using the literal syntax, begin by typing a / followed by the expression, then another /. Once you create the regular expression, make sure you assign it to a variable. So for instance, this expression stores a regular expression object in the variable named myRegex. Now, since / are used to enclose the regular expression when using the literal syntax, you have to escape a / with a / if you want to use it as part of a regular expression. The second method of defining regular expressions in JavaScript is by using the constructor syntax. To define a regular expression using the constructor syntax, begin by typing the new keyword, then call the regex constructor function and pass it the regular expression as a string. Also make sure that once you create the expression, you assign it to a variable. Now, this constructor syntax is the same as the literal syntax, so you can choose to use any of them in your projects. It's a matter of personal preference. The only difference is that the regular expression that is passed to the constructor function as an argument must be a string. In the upcoming lessons, I will use the literal syntax most of the time to create regular expressions since it's easy to read and type. Now that you know how to create regular expressions in JavaScript, join me in the next lesson and learn how to use regular expressions with extra settings called flags.